Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to save battery on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently installed the iOS new version of iOS 26 on your iPhone, and after that, if your battery is draining very fast, or if you notice unconditional battery changes on your mobile or an iPhone. So if you want to save your battery or check whether your battery is working properly or not, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to the battery section, and here you have to simply check whether your battery draining is according to the your usage, or if you notice unknown battery usage. If you notice any unknown battery usage by any app or any kind of battery usage, then you have to simply notice that, and after that you have to simply go to the battery percentage, and you can also check your battery health and charging. So here you have to simply check for your battery health. If it is less than 80%, then you have to replace your battery, because after below 80% your battery health is very low, so you have to need to change your battery. And moreover, you have to turn on the optimized battery charging. So here is written to reduce battery aging. iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80 until you need to use it. Which means if you want to charge more than 80%, then you have to make sure that you turn on or turn off this kind of toggle. After that, your battery will be charged according to your usage. So you have to simply turn it on. So after that, you can also restart your device, whether you can check whether after restarting your battery health or battery percentage goes down. If your battery percentage goes down, which means you need to replace your battery, uh, and after that, you have to check whether you are using your battery properly or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact to the Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe to our channel.